Germany, the deindustrialized empire. Welcome back to MindMint. In our previous episode, we explored why Europe's old model is under pressure. Today, we focus on the country once known as the economic engine of Europe, Germany, the nation that powered an entire continent. But today, that engine is beginning to slow down. Can Europe's strongest economy survive? For decades, Germany looked unstoppable. Its factories supplied the world. Its engineering became legendary. Its economy became the envy of Europe. But beneath that success, a dangerous weakness was quietly growing. And when the global order began to change, Germany paid the price. Germany's success was built on a simple formula: cheap energy, world-class manufacturing, and global exports. Factories received affordable natural gas. Engineers built premium products. And international markets, especially the United States, bought them. For years, the model worked almost perfectly. But every successful system depends on stability. And Germany depended on something it couldn't control: energy. For decades, Russian natural gas powered German industry, kept production costs low. It helped German companies compete across the world. Then, everything changed. Energy prices surged. Manufacturing costs increased. And companies suddenly faced a new reality. Producing inside Germany was becoming far more expensive. At the same time, trade tensions between major economies continued to rise. Discussions around tariffs, protectionism, and reshoring manufacturing created new uncertainty for exporters. For a country whose economy relies heavily on selling goods overseas, uncertainty can become extremely costly. German manufacturers faced difficult decisions: absorb higher costs, raise prices, or move production closer to key markets. Some companies began expanding investment outside Germany, searching for cheaper energy, lower operating costs, and greater long-term stability. For workers, this raised uncomfortable questions. Would high-paying industrial jobs remain in Germany? Could the country continue leading Europe's economy? Or was the industrial powerhouse beginning to lose its competitive edge? The challenge wasn't caused by one single event. It was the result of multiple pressures arriving at the same time: higher energy costs, aging infrastructure, global competition, and slowing economic growth. Together, they created one of the biggest economic challenges Germany has faced in decades. Germany's story is not just about factories. It is about how quickly the foundations of economic success can be tested when the world around them changes. And if Europe's strongest economy is facing these pressures, what happens to countries carrying even heavier burdens? In the next episode, we travel to France, a nation confronting rising debt, mounting political pressure, and difficult economic choices. Could France become Europe's next major flashpoint? We'll find out in the next episode of MindMint. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Because on MindMint, we don't just follow history, we explain the forces shaping it.